Hey guys, it's Monday. Welcome back to this week's weekly reading vlog. Last week's is up and on my channel if you guys want to go and check it out. But it is later in the evening. It's 5:33 p.m. The main goal that I have this week, and I want to finish it by Friday, is When the Moon Hatched by Sarah A. Parker. I'm in the middle of this right now. I'm almost exactly halfway through. Oh, excuse me. But I would love to finish this week. I am on page 266. I am almost on chapter 34. So I'm going to focus on this tonight. And if I finish this, I'm going to start a romance. I have a pile of books right here. So I'm either going to start The Fake Mate by Lena Ferguson, or I'm going to start The Nanny by the same author. She wrote The Nanny first and then this one, but I've been intrigued by both. And then I have Nettle and Bone by T. Kingfisher. This is a book club book that I want to try and get to. So, but yes, those are the plans as of right now. But the main focus for this week is this book. So, you'll see me read this book quite a bit in this vlog. But yes, my goal is to get halfway today, which will be here, maybe, or in the middle of a chapter, so roughly around here. So, about the 300 mark. So, yeah, that's my goal today, which I'll get to. But I'm gonna stop rambling and get to reading, and I will update you guys as I go along. But yeah, I am liking this. There is a romance in here, and it's starting to build up, so I'm definitely intrigued. So, and the dragons are pretty neat so far in this vlog. So, but yes, gonna continue reading this. I may watch some more Naruto Shippuden tonight. We shall see. After that last episode I watched last night, I might give myself a little bit of a break. But yep, other than that, I'm gonna go, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, excuse the light. That's my nephew's jellyfish. I forgot it was on, so I'm sorry about that if that bothers anybody. But it is Tuesday, 5:47 p.m. and we're expecting snow tonight. Fun. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But I did start The Nanny by Lena Ferguson while my nephew was taking a nap. So I did start this. I'm not very far. I'm on chapter 3. And we follow our main character, Cassie, who got laid over at her job at the beginning of this. And she applies for this nanny position that came up unexpectedly. And she ends up taking the job. And she meets with our main male character. His name is Aiden. And he is a chef, and he's also a single father with a 9-year-old daughter. So it's that, and I know this is very spice heavy from what I've read or from what I've heard of so far, but because our main character used to have a she used to make videos and post them online, but she's recently she deleted that account, so she takes the nanny position instead. So I'm only on chapter 3. We'll see how this goes. And chapter 3 is page 31. So I'm gonna see what happens in an adult romance, so keep that in mind. This is probably going to be for 21 and up, I want to say. But yes, keep that in mind. So, but I'm going to read this. I also have The Fake Date, also by Lena Ferguson. So, this is a paranormal-esque romance. So, we'll see, but I'm going to continue with The Nanny. I'm also going to still read When the Moon Hatched by Sarah A. Parker. This is paranormal fantasy. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but it's a fantasy romance. I'm on chapter 40, page 324. So I am just roughly halfway through the book. I'm enjoying it so far. I love the slow burn romance that is building in this. So, yes, I am interested to see where this goes. And that's my reading plan so far. This week, as of right now, these 2 books, and see, I know I'll get this one finished for sure. That's my main priority. And then we'll see how much of this I read. But those are my reading plans. I'm going to watch some YouTube tonight because a few people came out with reading vlogs that I would like to watch. But I might read while I watch those reading vlogs. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go and update you guys when I have more of a reading update on both of my current reads. So I will talk to y'all later. I'll show better in the morning, but it is snowing outside. That's my street, but it's snow. Hey guys, it is 3:27 on Wednesday. Yes, and work finished early today, so yay. So I read a little bit while my nephew was napping, and I was reading The Nanny. On chapter 8, page 112. So I read a few chapters. I read 2 chapters. So, I am liking this so far. When our main character is realizing that the person who hired her is someone who used to watch her live shows when she was doing them. So she's realized that, but I don't think he's realized it yet. So there's that. But we'll see what happens. There's definitely chemistry going on between the 2. I want to say it's definitely slow burn romance, that's for sure. But yes, Aiden has a lot going on with work, raising his daughter and his daughter's aunt. So there's a lot of stuff going on. So trigger warnings for death of a parent. It's not seen, but it's talked about. So that's one of the triggers I've found so far in this. I'll keep you guys updated if I find any more, but I haven't yet so far. So, but I'm liking this so far, and gonna continue reading and see how I feel. But I can just chill for the rest of the day. I'm pretty happy about it. I'm gonna sit and read, watch some YouTube, might watch some Naruto. Don't know. We'll see. But I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah, I'll have an update for you, hopefully, with this book. Hey guys, it's much later. It's 8:42 p.m. and I've been reading The Nanny by Lena Ferguson. Again, my thoughts haven't changed. Really enjoying this. I'm now on chapter 11, page 153. So, yes, I am liking this quite a bit. So, there's that. I have Chicago Fire in the background. So, for background noise, I'm probably going to read for another hour or so, and then I will have to get ready to go to bed because I do have work tomorrow. So, but other than that, I am enjoying what I'm reading, so there's a plus. So I will catch you guys when I have another update.
I don't know, but everybody heard it, right? That sound.
Hey guys, it's Thursday, 5:33 p.m. I don't know why I'm out of breath, but I am. Whew. I need to get some water for a second. Hold on. I cannot get mine open. There it goes. Okay. So, work is done for the day, and I was able to read this morning because my nephew went down for a nap this morning, so I was able to read. I read more of When the Moon Hatched. I've read almost about 100 pages while he was napping this morning. I am now on chapter 50, page 404. So, I'm going to try to read to page 500 tonight. If I can. That'll put me chapter 64. And then finish this off tomorrow. I am enjoying this more than I should, but I'm enjoying it. Our main character at this point, we found something very interesting about her. I don't want to say what it is because of spoilers. If you know, you know. And she has no recollection of what that said thing is. So, but I found that out this morning, and I'm thoroughly enjoying this. I'm going to hopefully finish this tomorrow night and then go from there. But yeah, I've almost read 100 pages of this today. I'm going to read more of this today as well. So yes, I'm definitely, if I finish this today, I will be shocked. I have over 300 pages left. I want to say I have roughly over 300 pages left. So, oh, there's a little family tree at the end. Okay, I like that. So, but if I finish this tonight, I will be shocked. I'll definitely let you guys know if I finish this tonight. But if not, I'll let you know where I end off on. But if you haven't picked this up yet, I would recommend, but also please do look up the trigger warnings. There is a lot in here, so it might not be for everybody. So I'm saying that now. But I am enjoying this. The magic system in here is crazy. I'm not even going to attempt to explain the magic system in this. The dragons are phenomenal. Our main male character has one and he rides it. So, yes. But I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to read more of this. I'm going to put on some YouTube or a movie and read this. It's Thursday. The new episode of Blue Box came out today on Netflix. I do have to watch that. But other than that, oh, and I've also been reading The Nanny on the side. Thoroughly enjoying this one too. Although my main issue with the female main character is if she says to our main male character, who is her boss in this, that she said something, I don't want to say what it is. I don't know if it's going to be a spoiler or not, but she says something more than once, and it's driving me up the wall. If she says it again, I might have to scream. But other than that, I'm enjoying this one. It's probably going to be a 4-star read. So, my goal is to finish this weekend too, although I'm going to be a bit busy, but it's okay. But I'm going to go, and I will update you guys with more thoughts on When the Moon Hatched. Hey guys, it is Friday. It's 5:54, so it's closer to 6 p.m. and work is done for the weekend. And today's reading plans, I'm going to try and finish When the Moon Hatched by Sarah A. Parker. I am thoroughly enjoying this. I am now on page 448, chapter 55, and I have roughly about 300 pages left, so I am really looking forward to finishing this. And I have roughly about 200, a little over 250 pages left, so I can easily read, if I focus, I can easily read 100 pages in an hour. So what is going on with my camera? Sorry guys, I guess it's the cover, but I'm gonna try and finish this tonight, and then I do have to clean my room a little bit tonight, and there's been some YouTube videos that have came out today that I want to watch, so that's the plan for now. But excuse me, I'm gonna go get some reading done, then take a break and clean my room a little bit, eat dinner, finish cleaning my room, and then go back to reading. So, but yes, that's the plan. But I will talk to you guys when I have an update. But right now, this book is sitting at a 4.5-star rating. But yes, we'll see what the ending does and go from there. So, but other than that, I will check back in with you guys when I have an update. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. It's 11:03 a.m. and I did not end up reading last night because I had a headache. So I just watched a couple YouTube videos and then I went to bed. I was so tired. But I need to get ready in the next hour or so. I'm hanging out with friends this afternoon for a few hours and then gonna turn around and do the same thing tomorrow morning with the same group of people. So, don't know how much reading I will get done this weekend. So, hopefully I can at least finish When the Moon Hatched. Because that's what I want to do when I get home today. I can read more. I'm going to read a little bit of this now because I still have time to do so. I am still on chapter 55, page 448. So, no thoughts have changed. 2 of my people in the group that I'm buddy reading this gave this 5 stars. I am still leaning more toward a 4.5 star rating for me. Still enjoying this. If you want to pick this up again, please look up the trigger warnings. There is quite a bit in here. Can't stress that enough, but still enjoying it. I'm gonna stop repeating myself and then read some of this. I'm gonna get dressed, read some of this, and then go from there. I might watch the episode of Blue Box that came out on Thursday, and then I don't know, but I did clean my floor a little bit because it needed to clean. So my floor is clean. I just need to clean off and fix my surfaces areas. But yeah, this is a out of the blue question, but if you guys would like a tour of my TBR cart, which is over there, let me know down below. I would love to do a tour of the TBR cart. It's got all the books that, not all of the books, but most of the books I want to read in the near future on there. I do have to put some of them on there. I have 5 that I need to try and fit on there right now. So we'll see if I can get those on there. But yeah, if you want a tour of my book cart, let me know. I'll greatly do one. If you don't, I'm still probably gonna do one. So, but I'm gonna go get dressed, read, and I will talk to you guys when I have an update. Hey guys, it is Sunday. It's 3:16 p.m. I do not know how much reading I'm going to get done today because I was out pretty much all day today with friends, which is fine. But I did read a little bit of When the Moon Hatched last night. I know I said I wanted to finish this by Friday. That didn't happen, but that's okay. I'm on chapter 64, page 501. So I have a little over 200 pages left. So I'm gonna try and read most of this tonight. Maybe finish it if possible. So that is my plan. I do have to do a few things first though. But other than that, I can sit and read. So I'm gonna do the things I need to do first. Then I'm gonna sit down and read, so that way I don't have to stop reading this in order to do the things I need to do. So that's my plan. So for the rest of the afternoon / evening, so we'll see if I can finish When the Moon Hatched. And it's, again, roughly around a 4.5 star read for me. So yeah, that's this. So I'm gonna go. I'll definitely update you guys later or when I finish, and we'll go from there. So hey guys, so it's a bit later. It is 6:52 p.m. I've had dinner. I just finished When the Moon Hatched. The ending of this book is insane. I cannot wait for book 2. I hope it comes out in paperback. So, yeah, cannot wait for book 2. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 stars. So, finished my first thick book of the year. But I loved it. It was really good. Keep in mind, I mentioned this enough, there are a lot of trigger warnings in this, so please do keep that in mind when going into this book. Definitely look those up before picking it up. But however, it's good. The dragons are fantastic. And I cannot wait to read book 2. So with that being done, I think I'm going to go ahead and continue with The Nanny by Lynn Ferguson tonight, since I'm in a reading mood. So I'm going to do that. I might read on my Kindle. We shall see. But this is my plans. And I wanted to hop on and say that I finished this book. And we get introduced to a new character. So I'm going to have to go into the group chat and let everybody know that I finished it. So, yes. Hey guys, so it's about 8:30. I'm going to go ahead and close off this vlog. But I did read a little bit more of The Nanny tonight. I got to page chapter 12, 176. So I'll be finishing this up in next week's vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm not sure how long this is going to be, but if you made it this far, please leave me a dragon emoji down below for When the Moon Hatched, or leave a moon emoji in the comments, either one or both. And I will see you guys in next week's vlog. Bye guys.